Hello students, welcome back for the video class of political science. We have started with the third unit, that is basic political concepts. Before starting the video, today's topic, I would like to tell you something. अंग्रेजों ने भारत पर 200 वर्ष तक अनुशासन किया या फिर शासन किया। तो 15 अगस्त 1947 में हमें आज़ादी मिली। उसके बाद हमारा देश स्वतंत्र हुआ। ये स्वतंत्रता मिलने से पहले जब सरकार ने, ब्रिटिश सरकार ने, अंग्रेज सरकार ने ये घोषणा की कि हम कुछ दिनों में भारत को स्वतंत्र कर देंगे, उसको स्वतंत्रता दे देंगे, तो सबसे बड़ी जरूरत थी हमारे देश की संविधान बनाने की। तो क्या आवश्यकता थी संविधान बनाने की, या फिर क्यों बनाया गया? क्योंकि पूरा देश चलाना है, सरकार चलाना है, पूरी व्यवस्था को चलाना है, तो उस व्यवस्था के लिए कुछ कायदे कानून चाहिए। शासन अनुशासन का होना बहुत ही जरूरी होता है, जिसके बगैर ये समाज नहीं चल सकता, सरकार नहीं चल सकती, या फिर पूरा राज्य नहीं चल सकता। इसीलिए शासन, अनुशासन, कायदे, कानून, नियम, इन सारी चीजों का होना बहुत ही जरूरी है। नहीं तो ऐसा हो जाएगा कि जैसे जंगल राज हो जाएगा। जंगल राज माने जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस, जिसके पास पावर है, जिसके पास ताकत है, वही उधर का शासक बनेगा। चाहे वो आदमी, उसके विचार जैसे भी क्यों ना हो, अच्छे विचार हो या फिर बुरे विचार हो, तो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है वो शासन कैसे करेगा। तो इसलिए शासन, अनुशासन, कायदे, नियम, इन सब का होना बहुत ही जरूरी है। तो राज्य को चलाने के लिए नियमों का पालन करना, या फिर नियमों को पहले बनाना, उन नियमों का पालन करना, उन नियमों का पालन हम लोगों को ही करना पड़ेगा। तो इन नियमों के बारे में आज हम देखेंगे, कौन कौन से प्रकार के नियम बनते हैं, या फिर कौन कौन से प्रकार के अलग अलग से नियम बनते हैं। सो जिसको हम अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं लॉ। So today's topic is law. So in this topic we will see what are the what is the meaning of law, what is the definition of law, and different types of laws. So those things all we are going to study in this today's topic. So this is also very important part of the state law. So without law, state cannot be run. Okay. So wherever you go, you can take the example of school and colleges. If there is no proper schedule, if there is no timetable, if there are no any proper classes on particular time, then it's not possible to conduct all the things. It's not possible to have all the subjects in a schedule. हर एक का जैसा मन आएगा वैसे करेगा, जब चाहे आप जब चाहे चले जाओ। टीचर्स अगर ऐसा करने लगेंगे, स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा करने लगेंगे, तो क्या हो जाएगा? कोई भी क्लास ठीक से नहीं हो पाएगा। इसलिए कायदे, कानून, टाइम टेबल, इन सब का होना बहुत ही जरूरी है। तो लॉ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द गवर्नमेंट टू रन the society, run the government, and have the proper schedule. So what is law? What it means? So law is a rule, regulation or principle of state. Law is a rule, regulation and principle of state, which is formulated and enforced by government. Formulated and enforced by government. So here is rule, regulation and principle of state, which is formulated and enforced by government. Formulated है, उसको बनाया गया है, तैयार किया गया है, किसने? सरकार ने। और enforced तो उसकी पाबंदी, लोगों को इसका पालन करना ही है। सो क्या लोगों को पालन करना है? रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस और प्रिंसिपल्स, जो भी कायदे कानून सरकार बनाती है, नियम बनाती है, उन सबका पालन करना ही लॉ है। It is formulated and enforced by the government. Okay, so this is a law. In modern ways, in modern government, we can see that the government has three organs. So students, can you recall which are the three organs of government? Yes, first one is legislature, which enact law. Second, executive, which enforce law. And third, judiciary, which interprets law. ಕಾಯ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಅದರ ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದರ ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಇರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ತ್ರೀ whatever organs are there, legislature, executive and judiciary, these work togetherly and law is going to be made, enforced and protected and interpreted. So for following law, these three things should be there. Three organs are very important: legislature, executive and judiciary, and these three are going to work together. Then only it is possible by the legislature to enact law, executive which enforces law, and judiciary will interpret law. If someone is going to break down the rule, so that person is going to get the punishment, because it's a legal right. Every has to mandatorily follow the rules and regulation. It will be mandatory following the rules, regulation and different principles enacted and enforced by the government. Okay, then by which word this law is derived? What is the root word of law? So this law, this word has been derived from the word tectonic. This word tectonic means that is ancient German. So the law word has been derived from the word tectonic by that word, and what it means? It means lag. By lag word, this law has derived. L-A-G, lag. By this word, law, this word has been derived, which means something fixed, even or uniform. Something fixed, even or uniform. So that we can see here, something which is fixed, so that is called law. Something which is even, that is called law, and something which is uniform, same, that is law. Now ante alla kaide kanun kellu same iರ್ತವೆ. There are everyone is same or everyone is equal before the law. So that is fixed, that is uniform. It will be same. There is no partiality in between the law. For rich people it will be same, for poor people it will be same, it will be same for male and female, it will be same for every caste, community, gender, creed, religion. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಭೇದಭಾವ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಸಮಾಜದ ನಾ ಲಿಂಗ ಭೇದಭಾವ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಿಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೂರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಡವರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಾನ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. That's why which is something fixed, even and uniform. So lag means something fixed, even or uniform, and this lag word has derived from the word tectonic. Okay. Now the political science, we study political law which regulates the activities of man, behavior of the state. Yes, in definition we see in political science. Political science is nothing but the study of human beings' behavior. Political behavior. So the whole political behavior of human being is going to study, whereas law also behave and will control on the external behavior. Control on external behavior. External behavior ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಈಗ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ, ಅವ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ನು ಬಡಿಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಡಿತೇನೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. So that is the external behavior, and this external behavior is going to be controlled by the law. So law is important to control the external behavior of human being. Understood? Law is important to protect the external behavior or control the external behavior of human being. And this is going to enforced by the state. Okay, so that is it in short about the law. Now there are different definitions given by some political thinkers. Now let's see one by one what are those definitions given by different thinkers. So first one, John Austin. John Austin. So what he has told about the law. So law, it is a command. Law, he has defined that law is a command given by superior to inferior. So what do you mean by here superior and inferior? Superior and inferior. Superior ಅಂದ್ರೆ higher post ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ so the person who is going to supervise or who is the officer, then under him or some another people who are going to work under the supervision of that officer, they are called as inferior. So superior and inferior. So whatever the order and command has given by superior to inferior, so that is also called as law. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಟಿನ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ T.H. Green. T.H. Green. He is also given one of a definition about the law. Then what he has told, the system of rights and obligation. System of rights and obligation. System of rights and obligation which the state enforces. The system of rights and obligation. Rights and obligation. Rights, all of you know. Yaw are nam basic rights are. Mulbul have to know. So our obligation, that is compulsory. We have to follow. Okay. So these rights and obligations which have been enforced enforced by the state. So it has been defined by the T.H. Green. The system of rights and obligations which is the state enforces. Rights and obligations one system introduced enforced state did that is state enforced so that is a law. One more definition which is given by the Professor Holland. Law is a general rule of external behavior. Law is a general behavior of external human action. Professor Holland. Law is a general rule of external behavior, external human action enforced by sufficient political authority. Rule of external human action enforced by sovereignty. So that is the thing about the law. Sovereign political authority. Law is a general rule of external behavior, human action enforced by sovereign political authority. Whatever human beings' actions are there, activities are there, that all activities are going to be ruled or enforced by the sovereign political authority. सरकारी लोगों के द्वारा, अथॉरिटी के द्वारा लोगों के बिहेवियर को कंट्रोल किया जाता है. So that is a law. Okay. So again here it comes like saying that human activities are going to be controlled by the law or by the government officers. So these are the different definitions for the law. So once you can see, law is a rule, regulation and principle of state which formulated and enforced by government. Simple way, law is a command given by superior to inferior, even it is the system of rights and obligations of the state or which the state enforces. So any two definitions we can write about the law. Now that is all the definition. Few points we will come to know about the law. Then which are those? So law, it is an organized political society. It is politically organized society, that is state, whereas rules the external behavior of the people. It is existing political organized society and which controls. External behavior of human. It is an existing political organized society which is going to control the external behavior of human being. So that is a law. Second, it is universal and applicable to all individuals, groups. Applicable to all individuals and groups within the state. Whatever the thing comes, whatever the people, individuals, families, or whatever comes in the state, so that is applicable to all. ಯಾರ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಜನ ಇರಲಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್, ಜನ, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಇರಲಿ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that is the law. Third point, that it is uniform, general and official. It is uniform, general and official. You can see it is uniform. It is same for everyone. There is no partiality. ಯಾವುದೂ ತರ ಭೇದಭಾವ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ. So it remains same for everyone. Then it is generalized and official also. There is no different kind of things. Or it's official. If person then mistake, if he found guilty, he will get the punishment. ಯಾವುದೂ ತರ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಗುವಿದ ಸಣ್ಣವಿದ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಮವಿದ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೋ, ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ all are equal. There is no partiality, there is no any kind of thing. Everyone get punishes who found guilty, who done the mistake. So it is uniform, general and official. Next point, that is, it is precise, definite, written and well published. Precise means clear. Precise means clear. Then it is definite, written. Definite. If you done a murder, then definitely you will get a custody. Okay, along with the penalty, you will get a custody for 5 years, 10 years, even may lifelong. So that is definite. Even each and every law, whatever the sections are there, or that everything is written. So when it is written, yes, it is written in one of the book. That book is called as a Constitution, Indian Constitution, which consists of more than 565 articles are there. Okay, earlier it was 400 it was. Now at present it is 465 articles are there. Then 12 schedules and 24 parts are there now. So that constitution, which consists of written all the laws, and it is well published also. If any new law is enacted, if any new law is introduced, so immediately it will be published by the media, radio, news channels, papers, internet. Through all, we will come to know, so what is a new law, what is a new rules and regulation. For example, COVID-19. We are still facing problems, lots of problems in this pandemic, in this COVID-19 problem. That government has introduced a number of the laws and rules and regulations. Earlier, it was a Janta curfew, then it was a lockdown, that no one is allowed to come out from the homes. If you are going to found a positive, then you will be done a 14 days quarantine. Number of the rules and regulations and which are going to be published by the mass media. So the law is precise, which is clear, definite, then it is written and well published by the media. So that is a law. Further, it is mirror of the wishes of people. जो लोगों का कहना होता है, कौन से कहने होने चाहिए, या फिर ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. So it is a mirror of people's opinion. It is mirror of people's opinion. लोगों का क्या कहना है, या फिर लोगों को किस प्रकार के कार्य करना चाहिए, उसी प्रकार से हमारे कार्य बनते हैं. उनकी राय क्या है, लोगों की राय के ऊपर बहुत ही निर्भर होता है. एक व्यवसाय हदूरದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನಾಹದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಒಪೋಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಮತ್ತು ಲೋಕಪಾಲ ಈ ಎರಡು ಬಿಲ್ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆ ಎರಡು ಬಿಲ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ India against law, that movement introduced by Anna Hazare, which has introduced the bill of Lokpal and Lokayukta against the corruption, against the corrupt officials, corrupt politicians, corrupt all the people. So that is a public opinion that law should be introduced. Then definitely that bill is going to be introduced in the parliament, and parliament pass that law, because it's a demand by the people. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ವಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. Express will of the state. Will ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ even it is depend on that also. The law is going to frame. Okay. Further, it is the coercive and disobedient to the law invites punishment. A person who is going to not follow rules, regulation, not follow the law, then that the punishment is provided to that person. ಯಾರು ಈ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲಾ. So this is in brief about the law. So these are the different definitions, meaning and definition of law, and by that all the law, by the definitions we come to know that law is exist in a political organized society and which controls the external behavior of human being. It is applicable to all individual groups which includes in the state. It is uniform, general and official. It is precise, that is clear, definite, written and well published. Then it is a mirror of public opinion and it is a will of the state. So this is in short about state. Okay. Then further thing is that the law, different types of law. So law can be divided basically or mainly into the two ways. One is the national law, second one is the international law. national law, international law. So national law, again it is going to divide it into the two ways, constitutional and ordinary. Constitutional and ordinary. Again ordinary law, which is called as a statutory law also. Statutory law or ordinary law is going to be divided into the two parts. One is a public and second one is a private. Public, private. Then again public law is going to be divided into the administrative law and common law. National law, international law. National law divides into the constitutional law and ordinary law. Ordinary law divides into the public law, private law. Private law again is going to be, public law is going to be divided into the two parts. One is administrative and common law. So these law we'll see in the next video. In detail we will see. And students, be careful for this lesson. Only the 5 points are there, but difference are there. So main question comes on the law. What is law? And explain the different types of law. So that time I want to explain this national law, international law. Then again about the national law, which is divided into the constitutional law and ordinary law. Ordinary law going to divide it into the two, public law, private law. Public law which divides again into the administrative and common law. So these all laws or types of law we'll see in the next video. So thank you students. This is enough for today's video, and thank you being up to the end. We'll see the types of laws in the next video.